So I turned 55. It's not as exciting as it might sound. And I just thought this is a time. So instead of giving up at 55, I'm looking to rebuild. I'm looking to rebuild my connection with the wilderness, with my body, with my mind, with my family, which I'm always underappreciative of. But I've spent many years in a wilderness of a different kind in the business world. Lots of stress, long hours, and it's time to get back to what I knew as a kid, that fun, that adventure, the hikes, the camping, the being out there. So what I'm looking to do is, as I said, look to rebuild, look to get back to the me that I was. And this isn't about me trying to be 25 again. This is about me being 55, embracing it, but moving forward with it, not looking back. So if you're ready to take that step with me, maybe tune in, see what we got to go.